Vice President retired Constantino Chiwenga has openly welcomed the South African High Court's decision to forfeit assets belonging to his ex-wife, Miriam Ayoa. The move, critics say, reveals the Vice Presidency's unrelenting pursuit of vengeance masked as a fight for justice. Sanapenda mashoko buda pangwa inacho kwanza because I know Chiwenga's unforgiving. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina mnamo branch kwa mchinzi in a strongly worded statement issued through his lawyer Louis Uriri of Majungura legal practitioners. Chiwenga hailed the ruling as a victory for cross-border justice and accountability. The Vice President praised the collaboration between Zimbabwe's National Prosecuting Authority (NPA) and its South African counterpart, which led to the forfeiture of Mbayiwa's assets. Notably, Chiwenga, 4 years now blocked Mary from seeing or assessing their children, claimed the ruling demonstrated that the proceeds of crime should find no sanctuary. This latest development adds another layer to a bitter and protracted saga that has left Mbayiwa stripped of both property and access to her children. On 28 July 2025, the South African NPA confirmed that the Gauteng High Court, under case number 6435/22, granted an order declaring Mbayiwa's Pretoria property and 2 luxury Range Rover vehicles to be proceeds of crime. The assets initially preserved in 2022 are now in custody of an auctioneer. One of the vehicles has already been sold with proceeds and marked for restitution. Once Zimbabwe's celebrated First Lady in waiting, Mbayiwa fell from grace, has been swift and brutal. The couple's messy divorce is played out in multiple courtrooms, involving explosive allegations of attempted murder, fraud, and money laundering. All while Chiwenga, a powerful former military commander, remains insulted by state machinery. Critics argue that the Vice President's court celebration of his ex-wife's downfall reveals more about power and revenge than justice, especially in a country where the law often serves the politically connected. Though mashoko aripo tuze mafunguro enyu mutukuliva msuri pechitiko ichi pabvina kuona section medu dzemafunguro enyu unsubscribe or like, shut on the bell icon.